Hey friends, welcome to another product review. As always, I'm going to link this item in the description below if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. Let's get on with the unboxing. Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the iTruso Milk Frother. This one can do cold foam, it can do hot dense foam, and it can do hot fluffy foam, and also just heat up milk or chocolate or whatever. And also it can stir up your powders if you have like some like powdered beets or whatever, and you pour that in with your water. This can mix that up as well. So some of those are difficult to get in there. Sometimes you add, there's a lot of powders out there that you can add to your beverages and stuff. And a lot of times you put them in there and they just get all clumped up or whatever. So this is kind of nice to be able to just make sure it's stirred up really well. Okay. This is the top portion here. Very good packaging. Sometimes you can tell the quality of a product by their packaging. Definitely, this is well packaged. Doesn't even want to come out of there. Come out of there, little fella. Okay. All right, here we go. So that's it for the box there. It comes with a nice cord here. It comes a ground. And I always like to test out how long the cord is when I do unboxings. That way we can kind of have an idea. I don't like super short cords. Okay, so this is about 4 feet. Nice, nice distance for a countertop item. So that is good. We have some instructions here as well in multiple languages. And here we have this. This comes in black or white colors. And it's really a nice looking little item here. Look at that. It's pretty sleek. Yeah, just kind of like looks like a kind of a futuristic, nice, either white or black, matches your style or whatever in your cabinets and your kitchen decor. A lot of people have stainless. This has stainless steel on it as well. Okay, so interesting. Has this little item here. Oh, wow. So this is pretty neat. That's crazy. I was wondering, so it has a little reference card here as well. Check that out, guys. That's crazy. So the little spinning item in there, this little whisk that spins around, is done by, I'm guessing, magnets or something like that. If this rotates, perhaps. I'm not even sure. It's like, so look at that. It's got, there's no hole in the bottom of the cup here. So that's really cool. I'm actually kind of interested to see how this works. That's some neat technology there. So it'd be easy to clean as well. Some, if they have a hole in the bottom and then a part that goes in there and spins, when you put it on there, that tends to leak usually. So this is really pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, let's go test it out. So the knob here, also here, you could just turn it and then to the one that you desire, and then it'll just go through this little functions, I guess. So we're gonna go test this out, make some froth for our coffee, and we'll see you over there at the counter. Okay, first off, let's try this beet powder. So normally if you put this in water, it's just gonna get all clumpy and be very difficult to stir up. I'm simply going to add some water here. Place this on this little thing. Like that. And we'll take a little scoop of beet powder here and put it in. All right, notice if you try to stir this, It's like little clumps everywhere. Now it's all stuck to my spoon. Doesn't stir very well at all. So what we can do is we just put our little lid on, and on the settings here, this has this little blue light. It goes to whichever one you want. So this one you wouldn't want to heat it up, so we're just going to have the cold stirring. So we just press that there and push the button. And there you go. It starts spinning already. And what's crazy is rotating really good there. Is that little whisk on the bottom, guys? It's nothing's like. I'll show you when I'm done here, but it's pretty neat. It uses some kind of magnetism or something to get it to spin. So there's no, like I was saying earlier, there's no holes in the bottom of the thing for it to leak through. So it's really, really pretty cool technology. So this will spin for just a couple minutes until it's done. And then we'll have our nice beet powder. You can use like this for protein powders or different things like that. Just stir it up nicely so it's not all clumpy. It's nothing worse than like trying to drink like clumpy powder or something like that. So this is handy for that. Next, we're going to be using some plant-based creamer. It says for better foam, use a plant-based protein creamer. We use this. This has got almonds and coconut cream and vanilla bean in it. And we're going to be making some froth for our coffee. So little light indicators going around here. And looks like we're about almost done. And it has stopped there. Okay, let's check that out. So this has got this nice little thing on the back. Just lift it off of there and we can pour it in. Look at that. Pretty good to me. Not really seeing any clumps at all. And it's kind of frothy on top of that. So not only does it look like way more delicious with that froth on there. Oh, that's pretty cool. There is like no clumps at all here. So definitely works great for that. Let's, I'm going to rinse this out real quick and we'll switch over to the creamer. All right, enjoyed my beet juice there. No clumps at all. So this is what I was talking about, guys. This little thing right here. It just comes off and there's nothing there. I guess there's a magnet in here or something. Look at this. I don't know. I don't know what's spinning it, but I know it's really cool. So yeah, look at that. This gets dishwasher safe too. It says you can just put this in the dishwasher. I probably wouldn't. Just probably a little bit of soap in there, let it spin and air dry it. Anyways, that is really cool. Okay. Next, we have some plant-based creamer, Moolah. Let's check this out. Okay, shake well before using. We did, and we have a little line on here. It says minimum foam max. So we're going to put it in between the 4 to 6 ounces there. Okay, so just put it right at the 4 and throw that in there. And this is going to be, I want hot, dense foam. So I believe, I'm going to double check real quick, but I believe that is the hot, dense foam. Yes, indeed. We have this little reference card it came with. And we can see that right there. That's pretty cool. Get it memorized here in a little bit as I drink more coffee. And let's fire this up. Just press the button once we have it on there. And here we go. Already starting to spin there. And looking delicious. While that's going, I can get my little cup of coffee here. Add some coffee to your cup while your foam is getting ready. Grab a little bit of sugar. Get some sugar here. And we can, where's my sugar? There we go. Probably could just put it right into the frother there. Some of this cane sugar. All right. Rotating nicely. And instead of just sitting here letting me talk about random stuff, I'm just going to pause it and then we'll come back here. Well, we are done. The lid off there. Be delicious. Pour that on top. Oh, I tried to get that one little, you know how they do that little design. Didn't really do it too effectively. That is actually sweet. I didn't need to add any sugar. So look at that nice lot of foam on top. I wasn't not a barista or anything, so that. But look at that, nice like thick foam on there. So this, my friends, is a pretty amazing little machine. Cleanup is quick and easy because this is just a stainless steel thing. You could just put a little bit of soap in there and some water and put it on here and let that spin around. Or it also, you can says you could put this in the dishwasher. Either or, this, if this gets dirty, you can simply wipe it off. But I really like how this is detachable. Other frothers, usually it's one unit and you kind of got to clean it as it is with the motor still there. You're kind of worried about getting water in it or whatever, but this is completely detachable and it runs on magic. Just kidding. It's magnetism, I believe. But look at that. That is really nice, guys. So if you're looking for a decent coffee frother, look no further than this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you next time.